Anyway, so this whole little like setup I got going on, that I'm uploading a video for, you know, something. I'm gonna take that bag right there and go walking. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so I'm trying to make it over there. So I gotta get all the way over there to take like a sunset shot because the thing's blocking my view. Electric fence right there. Jesus Christ, that glare. Okay. Gotta get over there. So I'm seriously like trying to get a little setup going right here. Okay, so I just took the shots. You know, just it really doesn't matter about the shots. It matters more about like, you know, just getting out there and doing stuff. But yeah, shots were good. I guess some of my lens. So like shots were good. Everything's fine. You know, okay. Next couple days is just gonna be really. It's really gonna be like bad transition between like a bunch of stuff we're gonna do. Me and Cross. Hold up. Let's do it. Got it, boy. So that's technically the short video of me doing absolutely nothing but taking photos. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like my new camera? Let me know if you guys got any suggestions for me. I'm in South Georgia doing whatever the fuck, you know. So you know, new camera, new tablet, stuff like that. Boom, done. So what I want to do now is I want to start. Okay, so I want to do vlogs. Now I gotta get a camera. Well, somewhat good. And I don't know what I'm going to do. Like, they won't be like daily or whatever, but I'll do a vlog whenever. But, technically, so technically the whole situation on that is, you know, me and Cross going to do some things and we'll figure it out as we go. We might check out an abandoned house, do the other thing. So, yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys later, and make sure to subscribe, leave a like. Oh, hit that bell button so you know when I, go ahead and post, so then it's good. See you guys later, and peace.